I teach them not only how to eat right, how to do exercise, how to get confidence, mindset growth, etc. We move into the business aspects of a home business, the difference between having to put out capital versus having a brand partnership that you can align yourself with that does all that heavy lifting for you. My job, or their job, would simply be word of mouth marketing, which is obviously the most powerful way to get to an inline consumer to take action on a product. If a friend tells a friend about a good experience, a restaurant, a product, they are much more willing to check it out than some ad coming across cable TV. Third, we go into wealth creation, the difference between linear and leveraged income. Most people operate in a linear income. They're either exchanging time for money, or perhaps they're a small business owner, solopreneur, but they're still exchanging time for money because there's not enough hours in the day to get ahead until you leverage yourself.